Need to track project progress, manage deliveries, monitor quality control? SmartLabel lets you add any custom data to your IFC model and visualize it in 3D. No spreadsheets, no external apps. Everything happens right in BIM Vision. Let me show you how. SmartLabel turns your BIM model into a visual database. Tag any element with any information you need, then filter, search, and visualize instantly. Let's start with a common example: organizing elements by subcontractors. But remember, this works for any type of data you need. First, let's open SmartLabel plugin and organize elements by subcontractor. I'll create a new label set called Subcontractors. Then add our first labels: Foundation Subcontractor, that will be marked in blue, and another one for External Wall Subcontractor to be marked in red. This color coding makes it easy to see who's responsible for what, just by looking at the model. Have a long list? Save yourself the typing. Import a CSV or text file, and SmartLabel does the rest. Creates all labels, assigns distinct colors, ready to use. That's 5 more subcontractors organized instantly. 0 manual entry required. Now let's assign labels to elements. I'll select the foundation slab, choose Foundation Subcontractor from the list, and click Assign. Need to label multiple elements? Select them all at once, like this. Assign as previous or use the right-click menu for even faster workflow. I've assigned several external walls to appropriate subcontractor. Made a mistake? Just select the element and click Detach to fix it. You can change label colors anytime using the Change button. All assignments update instantly in the model. Now let's say you need to check what the wall contractor has to work on. You can hide everything and show only external wall subcontractor elements. Instant clarity, no digging through lists, or show me everything that's not labeled yet. These are the elements still waiting for assignment. This makes work coordination incredibly simple. SmartLabel can automatically find and label elements based on their properties. Watch, I want all external walls assigned to one contractor. Click the Auto Assign button and set a new condition. In the window that opens, choose a parameter name from the drop-down list. These are the parameters available in your current model. Then select the operator like equals, starts with, or contains. Finally, choose the value from the model's content list, or type it manually. In our case, let's find all walls. Set IFC entity parameter to equal IFC wall standard case. Found 24 walls in this model. Let's add another filter to pick only external walls. In our model, the object type parameter should contain the value outside. Now we have 16 external walls. Perfect. Select the target label External Wall Subcontractor, then click OK, and they're all labeled. For internal walls, let's use Auto Assign again. Select the family parameter, set the operator to equals, and from the list, find Basic Wall inside. Found 8 elements. Assign the Internal Walls Subcontractor label. In complex models, you can label hundreds of elements in seconds, work that would otherwise take hours. The connection works both ways. Double-click any label in the list, and those elements instantly highlight in your 3D model. Need to see multiple groups? Hold Control, select several labels, then click Select in Model. This gives you instant visual context for any label or combination of labels. But SmartLabel does more than count elements. It can calculate totals too. Want to know the total area and volume for each subcontractor? Add columns relating to specific parameters in the model. In our case, it's area and volume, and SmartLabel automatically sums them up. Instant quantity takeoffs. No spreadsheets needed. With extensive lists, use the search box to filter. Type wall and see only wall-related labels. Export everything to CSV format whenever you need external reports. SmartLabel isn't limited to subcontractors. It adapts to whatever your project demands. Tracking project progress? Color code elements by status. Done, in progress, to do. See completion at a glance. Managing deliveries? Label windows as installed, on-site, ordered, or pending. Know exactly what's arrived and what's still coming. Running quality inspections? Mark elements as approved, failed, needs revision, right on the model. Cost tracking, schedule monitoring, safety compliance. Anything you need to organize, SmartLabel makes it visible in 3D. Remember that your labels aren't stored in the IFC model itself. They live separately. So before closing BIM Vision, save your work. Click Export Template. This creates a file with all your labels, assignments, and color schemes. Next time you open the project, import that template. One click restores everything exactly as you left it. And since SmartLabel supports all 18 BIM Vision languages, making collaboration seamless across international teams. Try the free demo version today and test every feature. Available now in the BIM Vision store.